GoPro extended its Plus subscription in a big way. The offer, which was mainly a backup service for your photos and videos, now comes with the replacement of the device for the same price. GoPro says that if you break your camera, it will replace it without questions, as long as only between 2 times for every 12 months of subscription. If you break your GoPro for the 3rd time in a year, you will be alone. And probably need a way to keep your camera more secure when you make your crazy adventures. While device replacement is definitely Plus's biggest feature, GoPro has also launched a couple of additional benefits. In the past, automatic backup for photos and videos in the Cloud Plus service was only possible from a GoPro camera or computer, but you can soon upload your stuff directly from a mobile device. If you have an iPhone, you can take advantage of the function as early as February 20th, but you'll have to wait until the spring if you're an Android user. Now you also get unlimited storage of photos and 35 hours of video storage, around 250 GB with a subscription, whereas previously you were limited to 250 GB of cloud support in general. GoPro is likely to expect these features to make the service more attractive, so it can boost that revenue stream. Although the company finally returned to profitability last quarter, its difficulties have not ended. It recently had to cut 300 jobs after stopping manufacturing drones and completely exit the market. Whatever the reason for GoPro, the addition of the device replacement could make Plus look much more attractive, especially for daredevils. Even better? The service still costs $5 per month and is covered by the device replacement, even if you are only testing it for free for 30 days.